This is Naseera Banu. I am working as an Assistant Professor of Commerce. Now I have taken Principles of Management concept. Management is an art of getting things done through others. That's defined by Luther Gulick. And management is the performance of various functions that could be performed by. That is, various authors defined define the management function. For example, Luther Gulick defined various functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, coordination. These are defined by Luther Gulick. And then there is a various level of management. That is the top level management, middle level management, and lower level management. Top level management, the people have conceptual skill, and middle level management have conceptual skill and technical skill, and the lower level people have the technical skills only. The top level management examples like shareholders, the shareholder divided into equity shareholder, preference shareholder, and even dividends holder also there in the top level management. And second category, middle level management, there are various departmental head like production department head, marketing department heads. These parties are involved in the middle level management. And then lower level management involve workman, foreman, supervisor. These people are comes under the category of lower level management. And then next, Henry Fayol is defined the 14 principles of management. He is a father of modern management, and he introduced a general theory that can be applied to all level of management and every department also. That generally the principles of management is a universally applicable concept that is applied in all level. It is a universally concept. The Henry Fayol defined the 14 principles of management like division of work, authority and responsibility, unity of command, unity of direction, and then discipline, subordination of individual interest to general interest, and then remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, equity, order, stability of tenure, initiative, and esprit de corps. That esprit de corps means is a Greek word that is in the terms of English that is considered as a unity of strength. Thank you.